Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you reverse your video in Capcut app. So let's start up the process. Open up your Capcut app. Now pick up any video from your gallery or your project. Now here is a video. If you want to reverse this video, tap on first option Edit at the bottom of the screen. Now scroll until you see the reverse option. Now here reverse option, tap to this option to reverse this video. Now your video has been reversed. So if you want to reverse your video, follow these steps. If you have any question about the whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for more